In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can import products from different websites to your store for free. Now, this is free, you don't have to pay for anything, okay? Now, the first thing you need to do, guys, you wanna go to your Shopify store and you need to log into your Shopify store. As you can see, this is my Shopify store. Now, what you need to do, guys, you wanna click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you wanna click on apps and sales channels, as you can see. After, guys, you click on apps and sales channels, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. And here in the top, you want to search for an app. It's called Robo, okay? This is the name of the app. You want to search for this. Click enter. And as you can see, this is the name of the app. It's called Robo Product Importer. Make sure it has the same logo. Click on it. This is the app. You want to click on install. And like I said, this is a free app. You don't have to pay for subscriptions like other apps. Now you want to click on install in the top right. Alright, now what you need to do, guys, next is you need to click. It will take you guys to this page. You need to install the extension here. As you can see, it says here, install our free Chrome extension. You want to get it here. Click on add to Chrome. Click again add the extension. You want to click on where you can see your extensions. Click on it. And make sure you pin the extension. As you can, this is the extension. Click on it again. And as you can see here, guys, it says here you can import products without installing the Chrome extension. Now, you just need to download it because it will make the process easier. Now, you want to go to any website that you want to import products from. For example, you want to import products from Amazon. For example, you want to import this product to your Shopify store. You just need to click on the extension. That's why, guys, you need to download it. It makes it very easier to import products to your Shopify. Click on it and click on add to Shopify. It will take you to another tab. And as you can see, this is the title of the product. It has imported everything. It has imported also the price and the images, as you can see here, and the description. It has imported everything. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, next is where it says here import. You want to click on it and then click on add product to Shopify. You want to click on import, and you can change something if you want to change it here. You can change the description, images, before you can click on add to Shopify. Okay, as you can see, this is the product. Now, if you go to your own Shopify store, you will find this product inside your you will find it inside your Shopify. As you can see, this is the product. It has it has successfully imported to my Shopify store. And you can edit this product if you want. You want to go to your Shopify. If you want to edit, for example, the price and images, you don't like something, you can change it. I'm just going to log into my Shopify store now. Click on products in the left, and then you want to click on the title of the product here, and you can change the title. You can change the description. You can change the price here. You can do a lot of things. Okay, now keep in mind, this is not it doesn't change the price automatically. So if the original item, like if the product on the website, on the e-commerce website, change their prices, it's not going to change inside your Shopify store. You have to do it manually. Okay. And yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions, I reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. See you guys in the next video.